Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Parallel Chain. This is one of the projects that has a lot of funding. 50 million has been confirmed not so long ago. This is a testnet right now, and there's an ambassador role that you can get to get some tokens. So this is a free airdrop right now, guys. This is for you if you look for free airdrops, and this is for you if you look for big airdrops in big projects. So like always, we are going to cover a little bit about the project, and if it's your first time here, I always do step-by-steps on how to apply for the airdrop. So we are going to go one by one of all the steps, so it's going to be really easy for you to do. And if you want to make the airdrop more easy even, you can go to my webpage cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions and check for my application here. The subscription is really cheap, and you can see in this video how the app works. So you can use the application with your own user to get thousands of airdrops in multiple wallets. So it's an application that I developed in the last 6 months, and we have some subscription for private Discord where we are covering all the distributions. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, Parallel Chain Mainnet is a breakthrough layer 1 smart contract platform with a unique delegate-proof-of-stake system designed to power an accountable, democratic, ever-growing blockchain ecosystem. Parallel Chain powers two layer 1 blockchains platform, Parallel Chain Private and Parallel Chain Mainnet. So if you want to know more about the technical aspect, I will put the link on the description. But basically you can go to the website parallelchain.io/technology, and you can go here and check all the technological aspect of the blockchain. But basically it's a layer 1 solution. And if you are one of those that only want to apply for airdrops that are projects that have funding, well, you can see this is from September 2022. Parallel Chain has secured 50 million in financing and agreements. And also, guys, you can go to the website and you can see all the technological partners that Parallel Chain has. You can see that also it's powered by AWS, which is Amazon. And here in the business partners, you can see that they have the silver business partner with ABM and other companies here. The company is radicated in Hong Kong, and the project team here is transparent. Yan Huang is the founder, so you can go to the LinkedIn page of the founder of this project and you can see that this is from 5 years ago. So this has been from 2018, so they have been working a lot on this project. So I consider this one of the gem project airdrops to apply. So we are going to cover how to do that right now. And remember that these airdrops are speculation. Not always is for sure that we are going to receive a token, and not always it's going to be a nice amount. So if you want to do more videos like this one, go to the link on the description to my airdrop organizer. This is a Google Sheet that I put there for free, where you can see all my videos with some data that I put there with the distributions or not. Everything is there up to date. I may be 1 or 2 days below, but usually it's up to date. So you can see if this airdrop is still applying. And in these columns you have my video step by step, and my link to the project, and my link to the website with the step by step too. And remember, if you want to be an Ninja airdrop hunter, you will need my application. Really guys, it's really cheap, the subscription. You can try it for a month, and also you will get the Discord. You should go here to subscribe now, and here you can see a little bit how the app works. It's really easy to organize your airdrops there. I have more than 10 wallets, and I have more than 50 airdrops in each of the wallets, and I use my application to manage all that very easily. So the Twitter account, 68k followers, and you can see that they already have 200 registrations for the new ambassador program. So if you have applied, tomorrow will be handing out Discord roles to you. So this is from January 16. And if not, you can still apply here to earn some XPLL tokens. This is a token for Parallel Chain. So be an ambassador is one of the things that we need to do to get the tokens here, besides checking the testnet. And here you can see another of the Twitter announcements. Want to support Parallel Chain and claim XPLL? at the same time, sign up to our new ambassador program. So we really need to do this, guys. This is important. It's one of the steps. All my step by step, you will find it also in the link of the description, because there's an official link there to go to the testnet. So the first step is follow them on Twitter. The second step, follow them on Discord. This is like always for all the projects airdrops. You need to follow the social medias. After that, we need to go to the testnet site and create an account, clicking the circle on the right top corner. So you are going to go to this link. You are going to be sent here. And from here, you click this button right there and click create account. This is not going to create you a wallet or a Chrome extension. It's going to create your account on this web page, which is the testnet of Parallel Chain. When you click this, you will get a private key, your address, and you need to put a name to your wallet. So when you create account, you are going to see your address. Like I mentioned, your private key is going to be here, and you need to put the name here and click on next. Select an avatar here, click on create, and that is all, guys. You have your wallet here, you have your address. So that is step 3. You already finished that. Now step 4. Once you have your account, click the Faucet button and put your address to get the TXPLL tokens. Also, you can get your Faucet tokens if you go to the account section and click claim tokens. And this is the URL, it's in the same URL but in the account section. So let's check both things. So you are here, you can click here on Faucet, and here you need to put your address and click on claim TXPLL tokens. Or you can go here to your account section. You can see that you don't have balance here. So click on claim tokens. And you can see you have successfully claimed tokens from the Parallel Chain Testnet Faucet. So after that, you click here and close it. And if you want to claim again, you are going to see that you need to wait like 30 minutes. It's expressed in seconds. I don't know why, but you can do it each 30 minutes. I need to tell you guys that for the purpose of the video, I don't have any tokens right now, so I am not receiving the Faucet tokens yet. So I will show you anyways, because it's really easy what you need to do, but you need to wait your Faucet tokens. If you have any doubt on that, you can go to the Discord and ask there. But I don't know why at this moment that I went to do the video, it's not working. It was working yesterday when I did with another account. So this is testnet, guys. You need to be patient sometimes, and I need to do the video to show you this anyway. So sometimes this happens. Not always it's going to work exactly like I show in my video or exactly like the testnet should be working. But let's say that you get your tokens, so you did 0.4 or 5. Now you need to go to the stake section, click on the circle on the validators, and put the amount of TXPLL that you want to stake, and you need to do those actions with all the validators. So again, you are here in this URL, go to staking, wait a second that this needs to load. You can see that there are 4 validators. Now you need to click this button here that says stake tokens. You will be your account here. I don't have any TXPLL token, but if I had the tokens, you click stake. You put the amount that you want to send there and you click stake there. And after this, you click on confirm. And you need to wait 1 or 2 minutes in order to see that. You can see that in my activity I had that. It's not going to work because I need the tokens and I don't have it right now. But this is what you need to do, and you need to do it for all the validators. So after you do that, guys, you need to go and put your wallet on a comment on this tweet. So if you go to this tweet, you can see that this was posted the 5th of January. So go here to the tweet and put your reply here with your wallet address. You can see that they put your address of your account and then your MetaMask address, just in case, I suppose. So put both there. That will be the 0.7. And now you need to go to the website, which is ParallelChain.io mainnet. Click there and press in register for the node round. So let's go to the web page. Here, click on this button, register for node round, and put your name, middle name, last name, and email. You need to use your real email because you are going to receive an email to confirm your registration. So complete this form too. And 0.9, register to be an ambassador. So let's go to this link, you are going to see this, exactly this one. So scroll down, and you are going to see this button, join us. Click on join us. Put your username, the one that you create for your account. Put an email, your Discord username, Telegram username. So follow them on Telegram too. I will add that in the steps. So because you need to put your Discord, your Telegram, so you're probably going to be follow them, what region you are, and put your language here and click on next, and follow all the steps here to create your account as ambassador. So I don't know what will happen after. They probably will contact you, but you can see that they already have a lot of registrations and they already have been giving the Discord roles for that. That is part that you need to do in order to get the XPLL tokens. So guys, that is all for this. Very directly, straightforward, to the point. So I will add here, follow them on Telegram. I don't put Telegram always because not all the projects are active there, but you should follow them on all the social media all the times when you do an airdrop, just in case. So these are all the things that I found that you need to do in order to get the tokens. And if you don't receive your Faucet tokens for the testnet, try to go in Discord and ask there, or you can join my Discord, and we are going to be covering this today, of course, and see all the possible things that we can fix this situation. I may ask for another people to send me some tokens. So if you are not getting the Faucet when you are seeing this video and you are in my Discord, I will get the tokens for you guys. So that is another thing why it's good to subscribe to the Discord and stay there with me. I am of course helping more the people in the Discord. We are creating an amazing community, so I am really happy with that. And guys, that is all for this video. Parallel Chain is one of those airdrops that we are really expecting. I don't think it's the level of Arbitrum or Optimism, but for sure it's in a very high level of airdrop project. So don't miss this opportunity, and please put your comments below, and please like the video. I really need you guys that you follow me, that like the video, because that helps me to move the video around other people that are not familiar with my channel. So please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and click the bell to get the notifications. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.